Body of missing man found at Kingston Wharf. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The body of missing Scot Bamburry, an employee of Kingston Wharves Limited, was found on Thursday. Bamburry reportedly fell from a ship in the Kingston Harbour earlier this week. In a statement, Kingston Wharf expressed sadness at the tragic circumstances surrounding the death of Mr. Bamburry. It is with profound sadness that Kingston Wharves Limited report that the body of our missing colleague Scot Bamburry has been recovered. This outcome is not what we wanted, but Kingston Wharf is grateful that the recovery will provide some level of closure, Kingston Wharf said in a press release on Thursday.
I can confirm that our colleague, Scott, his body has been found. I just want to take this opportunity to again extend condolences to Scott's family, and certainly the family at Kingston Wharves, who are currently grieving for the loss of a really good colleague and friend. He would have been made aware of Scott's story of his desire and dream to work with Kingston Wharves. We contacted him, we offered him a job, and for just over a year, Scott has proven to be an exceptionally good employee. Just recently, he was given an award at our annual Staff Appreciation and Award ceremony. So what happened is Scott was working on a container vessel, which he has been trained to do and has done for quite a number of times. And the reports that we have at this time is that unfortunately he fell overboard and lost his life. I certainly can understand the family position at this time, and again, I just want to reiterate my condolences. The fact though, there are several levels of safety measures that are taken when operating a vessel. There are issues, I can confirm that Scott, like all the employees at Kingston Wharves, would have been well trained to perform the duty. Prior to the commencement of any operations, there's what we call a safety talk, and that the records will show that had taken place. So as I said, there are certain levels of safety. So the safety gears that are deployed by the terminal, the vessel itself would come with certain safety measures, including rails, etc. The current position is that, while it's an active investigation, and we certainly don't want to preempt the police investigation, Kingston Wharves is satisfied that different layers of safety and safety apparatus and safety protocols were in place.
Following the discovery of the body of Scot Bamburry, an employee of Kingston Wharves Limited who reportedly fell off a ship while working on Tuesday night, the company has sought to bring some level of clarity to the tragic development. According to a statement from Kingston Wharf, at approximately 10:05 p.m. on Tuesday, July the 12th, while performing as a stevedore on board a vessel that was docked at berth 8, the employee fell overboard the vessel. A search was subsequently launched, which ended with the recovery of Bamburry's body on Thursday. The police are carrying out an investigation into the incident. However, they believe that this was just a mere fact of an accident. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.